Hey, what's up all you Tapaholics? This is Paul here, aka Paulabusa, back with another video. Yes, that's right, today we are going to do another repair on the house, and this time round it's gonna be on my lights. Typically if you stay in a HDB, you're gonna have cove lights like this, and you're gonna have some down lights, and I don't know what other lightings you have, maybe something kinky, I don't know. So typically the contractor would install a transmitter to allow you to switch from the cove lights to the down lights, or even all of them. So with that, they will come with a remote, and you can switch the lights via the remote, or you can on and off the light switches, and they will switch according to how many times you on off the switch. So that transmitter, it typically breaks down in about 2 to 3 years, and recently I have this same problem. If the transmitter is not switching the lights, it won't even turn on the lights. And that's what happened to my bedroom. I can't even switch on the lights because it's not switching. So with that, you need a new replacement. Now if you get it from the hardware store, it's gonna cost you about $30, $30, $40. Yeah, it's pretty expensive, remote and transmitter. I've gotten one from Taobao, and you can get it easily from AliExpress as well. All the links are down below. Typically it costs you about $7. It looks something like this, and you have your remote, you have your box, right? And this box is the transmitter. So there's a remote with a holder. Box itself looks like this. There's a sticky pad for you to paste it in case you need to, and the battery for the remote. Now you might be confused on which model to get. The transmitter comes in 1-way, 2-way, 3-way or 4-way. Just get the 4-way one because the price won't matter too much, and you can use it even for 2-way or 1-way, even if you got the 4-way version. So more is better. Do not be intimidated by the wires, because the contractor already installed it for you, and all you need to do is swap the wires out color for color. And typically they follow the same color fashion. Mine is a 3-way version. It's got yellow, white and blue, and typically it's gonna be these 3 colors. If you've got a 4-way one, maybe they will add a green wire. That's about it. Bottom 3 wires are the main wires, which will always be the same, which is 2 black wires and 1 red wire. And then we have another white wire from the other side, and this is the ground, which doesn't connect to anything. That's about it. It's as simple as that. We're gonna now move to the ceiling, and we're gonna install this. I'm gonna see if this works. So let's go. And here we go, the white wire. And now we're gonna do the yellow wire. Yellow. And now we're gonna do the 2 blacks and the red. Gonna do the red one first. And the 2 blacks go together. Remember to tape up this loose blue wire you're not using, so just gonna use some electric tape and tape it up. And that's it, you're done. We're gonna switch on the lights and see if it works, and if it doesn't, let's go back to the drawing board again. Right guys, it works beautifully. So now we're gonna put back everything and then call it a day. Slot it back. Careful the grounding wire. Just expose the grounding wire and basically hide everything in place. And we're good. And as you can see here, there is A, B, C and D. So if I press B, it controls the orange light, and C controls the down light, and D is everything. So C, down light off, and D, everything off. One more time D and everything comes on. So this is an absolute easy fix for everyone, and yeah. So there you have it, guys. Everything works as it is. Everything is able to switch from the downlight to the cove light and vice versa. Just a 5 minutes job, easy fix, cheap as well. And with that, we've come to the end of the video. Do give this video a like if it helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Paul here, signing off. Ciao.